The demand for animal source foods is rising. They provide important nutrients, but their production and consumption, especially in industrial and intensive systems in middle and high-income countries, negatively impact people and the planet. Food systems contribute to 30% of greenhouse gas emissions, while animal products make up nearly 60% of food-related emissions. We can work to make animal agriculture more sustainable, but it is also important to explore new options. Emerging alternatives include plant-based products, cultivated meat, and fermentation-derived foods. Novel alternatives could help reduce the impacts of animal source food production systems, but more research is needed to understand their nutritional sufficiency and benefits to human health. Policymakers can support open and transparent research to help evaluate these technologies and their potential environmental, health, and social impacts, while ensuring that any transition in animal agriculture systems is fair and does not undermine food security or deepen inequality. We must make informed, equitable choices for our future.